I'm gonna be installing these Radiant Cycle Motorcycle Shorty GP slip-on exhaust mufflers just because I don't want to get a completely new kit, and I want to be able to have people hear me when I'm lane splitting. So these are like the most inexpensive ones, and I've never put these on, so we're gonna see how that goes. All right. So in order to put these slip-ons on, it looks like I'm gonna have to take off this right here where the foot pegs are, because I'm not gonna be able to get this out. I think I'm gonna have to just take that off completely anyways, because I'm not gonna need this bracket right here to keep it up, because the slip-ons in here and they're just they lack weight, so they don't need anything to hold them up. So I'll have to take this guy off first, and then yeah, I may not even need to unscrew these ones right here. So yeah, let's see how it goes. All right, so I believe this is a 13 millimeter right here, so let's see how this goes. All right, that seemed to work. Let's just twist this guy off here. So I didn't start riding a motorcycle up until 6 months ago, really. I'm 40 plus, and I've been wanting a motorcycle forever, and cool, that just slips off. And anyway, I ended up finding this motorcycle off of, oh man, that's bent, for $2,000. It's pretty high mileage. It was like 40,000, but you know, the guy put a lot of work into it, and it's pretty solid. But the funny part about the story is, I had only been on a motorcycle twice, and had only been up to second gear. And let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm not even gonna need that there. Alright, so I guess now I'm gonna have to take that off, and let's see where we are with that. That seems to be a little bit bigger. The bolt right there. No, that's coming off. I'm really hoping that this is not like welded or anything, because that would suck. I don't even know really how that works, but maybe I'm not even gonna need to go all the way off with this. Okay, that's done, and oh, I like your top. The mushrooms on it, that's nice. That's really nice. Mm-hmm. And be careful, because, oh damn, yeah, that just slips off. Oh, all right. Cool, see, that just slipped off. Perfect. All right, cool. I'm gonna put this here. All right. And I believe that I need to clean that pretty good. And I gotta make sure that that is pretty clean. So Let's do that. So I'm gonna put one of these slip-on Radiant Cycle motorcycle Shorty. They were like 130 bucks. This is definitely the most inexpensive ones. All right, it seemed like they had a lot of good reviews for the most part. And here's a little baffle. Is it crazy how much that can influence the sound? Otherwise, it's just hollow. I don't really know how the baffle goes in. Would it go in there? Let's see. So here's the baffle, which doesn't come assembled. Not really much like assembly, so it goes straight through. All right, so you put this here. From what I gather from the instructions, like I said, I've never done this before, and so I'm gonna tighten it up. Actually, I'll turn it up with my fingers first. You see that? Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Okay, so the screw's going in there. It's got to tighten up, and I think that's good. I kind of like it down like that, where you can't really see it. Right? Yeah. Alright, so it's getting tight, so I'm going to switch around here. What are those for? The ratchet was not long enough. I have a little socket. Alright, so I was struggling a little bit, and I had to bring this bracket around this way, so it was just really hard to tighten it, and it wasn't tightening all the way. It was kind of loosening up. Alright, now I'm gonna put this bad boy back on. There we go. A little twisty twist. That looks alright, I guess. I don't really like that, but that's alright. Alright, now we're gonna go to the other side and I just got done installing the radiant cycle, the Shorty GP exhaust mufflers, and they sound good. I like them, but I'm not really gonna know until I'm out there getting it. All right. So it's the next day. I'm gonna take these new exhaust pipes for a spin so you could hear like close up and just get a feel. Louder?
Yeah. I heard you.
Right.
You like that?
Yeah. Is it good to be heard?